When install this wire, the wire end should be like this. Not like this, it should be like this. Wire needs to go up from here. Don't wire it this way. Here to set the winding speed. Let's make it slower. Adjust this to 0.08. Then go this way. Check the tightness manually here. This feels okay. Okay, I think the force is a bit too light. The tension force is a bit small. You can adjust the value. Make it a bit larger. Set it to 0.09. Alright, again check it here by hand. Okay, this will do. Okay, move here. This is tension button. When you threading the wire on the spool, turn off the tension. Indicator off means tension is off. Indicator on means tension is on. Then let's try wind the wire. Let's see how to wind the wire. The green button is winding button. It's automatically winding the wire now. Good. Good. It needs to stop at this position. Normally do not wind it to the left end of the spool. Good. Move this to position where to stop. Okay. The winding action stopped automatically. Then, go to cut the wire. Good. Adhere this end like this. Okay. Alright. Then like this. Attach the other end of the wire. Tight. We attached one magnet here. Remove it after winding the wire. Then cut off the excess wire ends. Then, flip this, try this wire spool. Coil it up, then align the travel switch with it. There has left and right two travel swithes. Then adjust the right switch slightly. Alright. Then press the blue button. It is tension button. Now the tension is on. Then press green button. It is winding button. It's running now. The wire winding tension is 0.09. We set it 0.09 at the beginning. You can increase it to 0.1 at this time. Wait until the winding action stop. Okay, good. Now, after reaching this end, press the blue tension button, with one hand holding the wire. Press the blue button at same time. Then the tension will be turned off like this. Cut off the excess wire. And tied the end like this.